Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a keyboard to your PlayStation 5 console. Connecting a keyboard for general use, like typing messages or navigating menus, is quite simple. You can plug a wired USB keyboard directly into one of the console's 4 USB ports. For wireless options, pair a Bluetooth keyboard through the PlayStation 5's accessory settings. This allows for easy setup and customization of settings, like keyboard language and key repeat rates. Unfortunately, for Marvel Rivals specifically, there is no official keyboard and mouse support on the PlayStation 5. This means that console players are currently restricted to using a controller for all gameplay. Many players find this a critical limitation, as it can significantly impact precision aiming, camera control, and the speed of ability execution, especially in a fast-paced hero shooter. The only way to attempt keyboard and mouse input for Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 5 involves using third-party adapters. These devices, such as XIM Apex or Cronus Zen, translate keyboard and mouse actions into controller signals. However, these unofficial solutions come with significant risks. You might experience inconsistent performance, noticeable input lag, and, more importantly, violate the platform's terms of service, potentially leading to account suspensions. The developers of Marvel Rivals are committed to fair play and have strong detection tools to identify players using keyboard and mouse adapters. They consider this cheating, and penalties can range from temporary to permanent account suspensions. While there's significant community demand for native keyboard and mouse support on consoles, any future official implementation would likely include separate matchmaking pools to ensure competitive fairness for all players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.